I'm getting ready to clean up the kitchen garden. I'm not letting the chickens in here no more. And so it got lots of leaves in it. I might add more. Hey girls. They miss their kitchen garden, don't you? Yeah. So I got some wire here to move out here. And I'll block this off so I can plant something in here and dogs don't go in it. And then I got my swing full of stuff. Let them get some morning sun. Spend the night out here. And most of it's my berry plants. And if we get a cold snap, we're not too far from the greenhouse and we can take them back in there. So for now, they're getting some sun, wind. They're just going to love it. Well, we'll go take a look. Here's the berries, blackberries. Sure looks like they're going to flower. And I got 3 of these, this type. And this is a blackberry. I paid like 9 something for this, 7 something for these blackberries. They were in a smaller bag. But in this soil, I had a tomato pop up. And then back on these big containers, they're blackberries, mine. They were on the fence line, so I dug them up. The chickens don't bother them until they have berries. So I want to plant them somewhere else. And here's another $7 blackberry plant, and it's coming up from the bottom. But all these here aren't going to flower. This is a China berry tree. It's going to grow up and have flowers, and it smells so good. And then I still got some onions left over here. This is a Thompson seedless grapevine. And I thought, well, it needs to get out and get some sun. Oh my gosh. Here's a Rona berry. I'm really excited about this. Chokeberry. I had to check on the nutrients on that. It's really something. And then over here, here's another $7 blackberry. It's really going crazy. This is mine, and they're popping up from the bottom. Here's a China berry. It has something underneath it, but it's not popping up. And this is Josta berry. So I got that one. And they're supposed to propagate real easy. So I'm hoping they'll make it. Another $7 blackberry is coming up. And then I got this grapevine here. It's just not doing well. It's on the sickly side. So I'm hoping the sunshine on it will activate it. And then here's 2 of my grapevines, and they're just popping out. And then here's another one just popping out, and some garlic. So I got this full. But like I said, if it gets real cold and it does have a roof above it, might help a lot if it does get frosted on and we don't know it. So it might be protected. But I think they need to get out here. You see the movement of the wind blowing the plants. They need that. I want to do it with my tomatoes sometime too. But anyway, here's a little nursery in here. And just some trees and stuff. And they're activating. And then over here in this ice chest, I got potatoes coming up. See how they'll do. This is the first one. I should have a lot more coming up pretty soon. So I'm glad to see it activating. I told Bill I'm going to have to clean up my mess now. Everybody's going to see my junk. Yep, lots of it. Gotta mess with it and get it back on the pot stand. So I got So I got my tomatoes over here on the sun. They'll probably like that better. And these are sweet banana peppers over here. This is the climbing cherry tomato. And this is celebrity, so I got lots of celebrity tomatoes to go outside. And these are cherry. And they're getting bigger. Most of these are all cherry because they grow good in the greenhouse. And these are my celebrity, and they'll go out in my new garden bed. So there's some more peppers and some more tomatoes. So I'm going to have plenty of them. And I think my lettuce is going to like it over here. And I don't know what goes on with him. He loves that plant. He gets all crazy. I know it. I don't know.
He loves that plant.
I need to move that chair out of the way.
Yeah, he's weird.
Now, I put some lettuce in these pots. There's Toby. I got all, or almost all, my garden bed shut off from the chickens because things are trying to pop up. This is a blackberry bed, and I gotta put some more down through here, and the leaves are coming out. They're looking good. I got where I've been over the blackberry and planted in the ground to grow roots so I can make more. And did it here and here, and the leaves are coming on, so I can move my barriers back. And here's one that's coming out. I'll bend it over, plant it underneath this brick, and when it comes out, I can snip it off, then have another one. Somebody's are sneaking up on me. Yeah. They go, Mom, you're in the food forest. Can we have something? And I think you can. There. And I'll get you one, Annie. I'll get Annie one. Oh, she took it away from Gus. Did she take yours? Alright. You can grab it. Oh, take it right out of Gus's mouth. Alright, get you another one, Gus. You need to hang on to them. Alright. Oh my gosh. You better watch her. Look at her. What's she doing, Gus? She's taking your food. Alright. Here. Try it again. One more time. You gotta hang on to it. Oh. Gus. Oh my goodness. Look at you babies. One is out. And one is still afraid to get out. They're close to being, getting ready to fly off. There you are. Good boy or girl. He wants to go out and see the world. We just took a break, and Bill's just doing some different things on the outside that needs to be done. And so I got all my lettuce over here. I think they're going to like it a lot better getting out of that sun. I wasn't thinking. And I got my tomatoes over there, and they're going to like the sun. So they're over there. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later. Bye. Oh, there's Sonny. He's tired. Everybody's been working hard. Yeah. What does Bill see? What does Bill see? Uh-oh. She's got toys everywhere thanks to Ellen Fisher. Yay, Ellen. And she brought us to Bill. She's got toys stashed everywhere. She's a toy girl. They get dirty outside, but she's got some inside.